Click on the link below to get price. The Motorola Razr Plus 2025 is a remarkable blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology, making it a standout choice in the folding smartphone market. Right out of the box, its sleek design catches the eye, reminiscent of the iconic Razr flip phones of the past, yet modernized with a sophisticated finish. The device is incredibly lightweight and thin, making it easy to fit into pockets or bags without bulk. One of the standout features is the 6.9-inch OLED main display, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for streaming videos or browsing social media. The refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures that scrolling feels smooth and responsive. Additionally, the external 3.5-inch display is a welcome addition, allowing users to check notifications, control music, or take selfies without needing to unfold the device. This enhances usability, especially in quick, on-the-go scenarios. Performance-wise, the Razr Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring snappy responses and efficient multitasking. With 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, it can handle demanding apps and games effortlessly. The device runs on a near-stock version of Android, which is both clean and user-friendly, offering a seamless experience. The camera setup, featuring a 50MP main sensor, takes impressive photos in various lighting conditions. The low-light performance is particularly commendable, ensuring that night shots are clear and vibrant. The front-facing camera also delivers decent selfies, thanks to the external display acting as a viewfinder. Battery life is decent, comfortably lasting a full day with moderate use. The fast charging capability ensures that you won't be tethered to a wall for long, making it practical for daily use. Overall, the Motorola Razr Plus 2025 combines nostalgia with modern technology, offering a unique and stylish smartphone experience. It caters to both those looking for a functional device and fans of the classic Razr design, making it a worthy contender in today's competitive smartphone landscape.